Are you looking for a travel backpack that doesn't actually look like a travel backpack? Something a little bit more sophisticated that you can actually also use when you go to the office. You can definitely use it when you go on your business trip, or maybe you're just tired of your old carry-on bag. Well, you definitely came to the right place then. Today I'm going to show you the Arrive Roll Top Travel Backpack by Nayo Smart. They've got a big selection of very, very nice backpacks. I chose that one because I like the design. And just in case that you don't know me, I'm Vicky from NonStopTravelVV. I like to travel. I also like to review really nice luggage. Alrighty, so let's get started at the very beginning. When the bags arrived, the packaging was so nice. So just looking at the boxes, I knew I was off to a really good start. Then it also came in a really nice dust bag that was like very soft, nice, fancy plastic that you can seal up again. So I'm gonna keep that bag and I think I will keep the box as well. Without further ado, let's bring out the backpack. The small box is also from Nayo Smart. It is a different thing that we will talk about in the next video, so stay tuned for that one. All right, here it is. In this video, I'm gonna pack it, so you will see everything that fits into this bag. But first, I wanna talk about the features and like all the compartments that this bag has to offer. Well, first of all, very first impression, the material really, really nice. It is all waterproof. Let's maybe start with the dimensions. 44 centimeters height, 31 centimeters across, and only 13 centimeters deep, which will also make it look nicer. I think a slim backpack always looks more elegant. It only weighs just over 1 kilo and the capacity is 18 liters, which is absolutely plenty. You can pack for 3 days or even more, as I will demonstrate in a moment. But let's first explore all the features it has. It is a roll top backpack. It actually has a really, really nice buckle here. The buckle is called Fitlock Magnetic Buckle. The first time when I looked at the backpack, I was like, how does it open? How does it open? Which is good because thieves won't know how to open it. You actually have to pull it down just slightly and then it opens. But it's magnetic. So very, very, very nice and sophisticated. Then we've got a zipper as well in here. Double safe, and we also need to open those little side straps. When you have it on your back, you don't have to worry that anybody would ever get into the main compartment. So you can get into the backpack from here. Or, so there's two ways to get into the main compartment. Let's close this up again. I love the zippers. Like with a good quality bag like this, the zippers are always so nice. Also, by the way, the zippers are waterproof. I will show you the hidden ones in a moment. You know how much I love my waterproof zippers. Okay, and the other way to get into the main compartment is from the back, which is really nice and hidden. Like you wouldn't think that you get into it from the back, but voila, there you have it. It opens up like this. I mean, it screams business travel because of all the nice laptop compartments. And oh my God, is it soft in there. I don't know, what is that material? It just says, on the website, it just says padded laptop compartment, but oh my God, are you in for a treat, or your laptop? Because it is, oh my God, it's so soft, like I want to keep my hand in there all day long. And then we can also put a tablet or iPad here in front, and also soft and nice. Then we've got a zipper compartment and it stretches. It's like that mesh compartment that stretches a little bit. So you can put something bigger in there, maybe like a power bank or something like that, or like cables, accessories for your computer. And then here on the other side, we've got like easy access pockets. You can like put your phone in here. Ah, yeah. And then you also got like compartments here on the side, on both sides. So you can really organize your things nicely. Here in the middle is where your packing cubes will go with your clothes nicely organized. I would recommend with this bag to use packing cubes, especially if you have compression packing cubes that make everything flat and neat and tidy. Then it is really, really nice to just organize your electronics, your clothes, everything will be in separate compartments. But before we actually pack it, I will show you. Let's zip it back up. zippers are so nice. I will show you the outside compartments as well. And I mean, speaking of the zippers, look at it. I mean, you wouldn't even know that there is a zipper. I mean, I love those zippers. It is so hidden. It is absolutely waterproof. The whole backpack is waterproof. But the zipper, oh my God, absolutely stunning. And then we've got that little strap. If you're not a minimalist, if you actually want to travel with a big suitcase, this will go over the handles on your suitcase. If you don't want to use the strap, it's attached with Velcro, so it sits flat here on your back. All right, what do we have on the sides? Let's close this up again. On the sides, you can put in a water bottle, or maybe you want to put in your glasses in a case, or maybe a tripod, or even a camera would fit in here. So it can breathe through this as well. Then here, I will also show you how the water bottle fits when we pack that whole thing. Here, outside compartment, very nice and deep. Perfect outside compartment. The zipper is so nice and it has this bigger handle as well, so easy to close it. Love it. And then this outside pocket is actually 2 pockets in one, because we've got this as well. And here you can organize your pens. You have another easy access pocket, and turn it around. And here you also got like a zipper, another zipper pocket in here. So you can really organize your things so nicely with this. I think it screams business travel, but of course you can also just use this as your everyday backpack when you go to the office and you want to look nice. Like, this would go so nicely with a black suit. So I mean, it might be more of a men's backpack, but I love the business vibes it gives, and I quite like my luggage to be black because you can always match it with a black suitcase as well, if you're not a minimalist. But I mean, I would recommend that you use this as your only piece of luggage when you're a business traveler, because as you know, I like to travel light. I don't like to overpack, and I do have a course coming out very soon. So check the link in the description. It might be already there if you're watching this later. So I absolutely love this bag. It is beautiful, and I mean, absolutely suitable for carry-on travel only. But I mean, if you want to bring a suitcase, then it matches nicely with any black suitcase. And again, you can just put it on top of your handles, and you have a perfect luggage set. Let's pack it and I will show you how much I can bring. All right, so I have prepared everything that we're gonna pack right here, and oh my God, I forgot something. So when I showed you the outside pockets, I only showed you this one, but you know what? There is a secret one, and it is so secret, and because it is so secret, that's why I forgot about it. It is here. So you can barely see it, and there is a very, very hidden zipper. There you have it. And it's actually very, very nice deep pocket as well, with also easy access pouches inside. So I do apologize, I forgot that earlier, but that is because it is very, very hidden. All right, and now let's pack it. So I will try to fit everything, all my clothes, here into this one compression packing cube. So let's open it up first. So yeah, it's best to not roll up your clothes and just put them in as they are. So we've got one quite heavy black sweater. We've got black jeans, my fancy black pants. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 t-shirts. Let's just place them in here. Of course, I'm gonna bring my travel t-shirt that is available in my Etsy store. It's the NonStopTravelVV travel t-shirt. Link in the description. All right, that goes on top. And I think we can easily fit the pajamas in here as well, like this. And socks. Best to not roll them up, just place them in like this. 3 pairs of socks. And 4 pairs of undies. I did splurge there a little bit. So those are all my clothes that I will need on my business trip. You're obviously also wearing something on the plane, so you will have plenty of clothes. And again, if your trip is longer than 3 nights, you just would have to wash after 3 days. All right, and there you have it, all my clothes in one packing cube. If you also want to bring a second pair of shoes, I would recommend the long packing cube, and you can easily fit them in there as well. I'm not going to bring extra shoes, but I'm just saying that is definitely an option and it will definitely fit. All right, let's put it all in the bag, shall we? So you can just put everything in from the top. I find it a bit easier to access it here in the back. It opens almost all the way. So maybe let's put in the laptop first. So it fits a really big 16-inch laptop. Mine is 15-inch, so it fits easily. There you have it. And packing cube, it fits sideways. Oh my God, there is still so much room on top. So if you want to bring shoes, they would fit on top. I will bring my little toiletry bag. Everything I need, makeup, skincare, toothbrush, toothpaste, everything will sit here on top. I will also bring a scarf because it's always cold on planes, so I will place that right here. And this is all that goes into the main compartment for me this time. And again, there is more room if you want to bring more. Zippers are so nice. All right, and then in the outside compartment, I always bring my wipes because I want to disinfect everything on the plane. That easily fits in here. And then also a hack for the glasses that I wanted to show you. Actually, on the strap here, it's got this little thing here. And this is where you can just hook your glasses in like this. Easily accessible at any time that you may need them. But you can, of course, also just put them here in the side pockets. Which reminds me that I also wanted to bring my water bottle, which I forgot to prepare. Hold on. All right, I'm back with 2 sizes of water bottles. The smaller water bottle. Oops. So the smaller water bottle will fit completely inside. And you can zip it up. There you have it. So your water bottle can be completely hidden, or if you have a bigger water bottle, it will stick out a little bit, but it's still safe in there. Just get a black one so that it fits nicely. There you go. And there's your water bottle in here. All right, what else do we have? Passports, if you travel internationally. I would put that in the very hidden one. And then in the easy access pocket so that it doesn't go all the way down because this is very deep. And then we've got a book, which we could just put into this outside compartment right here. There you go. Everything fits so nicely. Actually, for the glasses, I've got my fancy thermo glasses, so I think I will put those glasses in the case in here so that they are nicely protected. And there you have it, fully packed. And now let's see how comfortable it is. Oh my God, it looks so good. I mean, oh my God. I love it. It looks so, oh my God, I've never looked so elegant before. I really love it. So, I mean, if you want to travel in style, I mean, this is a no-brainer. It's such a nice bag. But I mean, really, it's so good for traveling because it is very comfortable. It does not have this little buckle that I like usually in my travel backpacks. But I have to say, it sits very well. It feels lighter because all the weight is like closer to your back. So it is still very, very comfortable. And I think if it had that buckle, it wouldn't be as businessy and as fancy. And I mean, honestly, I will also just use this if I want to go somewhere with my laptop. This is the bag I want to have in the city when I'm just walking around. I would easily do an around the world trip with this. Definitely more than enough space for everything. You can bring your computer, your iPad, and plenty of clothes, as you've seen. Alrighty, you guys, I don't even want to take it off. It is comfortable and it just looks so good. Alright, if you like this bag as much as I do, of course there's a link in the description. Also, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see what's in the small package, that will be in my next video. It's also from Nano Smart, spoiler alert. It's also awesome. So yes, please subscribe so that you don't miss out. And I will see you in my next video. Happy travels and thank you for watching. Bye!